Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk all about making money on TikTok in 2026, some of the best ways to do that. One thing to mention, you don't have to have thousands upon millions of subscribers or followers on TikTok to make money. Also, these are not get rich quick schemes. These are real methods for making real money on TikTok. So first off, this is probably one of the most popular ways that people think about, and that is the TikTok Creator Fund. And that's pretty much kind of like equivalent to YouTube's AdSense, where ads are played and you earn money from the ads that have impressions and clicks, things like that. But I want to mention that is probably one of the lowest ways to make money on TikTok. It takes a while to first get up to that point to where you can qualify for it. You need 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views within 30 days to qualify for that creative program. And this shouldn't really be your main income strategy because the pay is really not that great per view. I have a video here on my channel that kind of lays that out on how much money I made on TikTok through ads, and it's not a lot. It's kind of like, it's like somewhere between 15 to 40 cents per 1,000 views, which is kind of like nothing. But you can use this as kind of like gas money, but not what you would want for your rent money, unless your videos are always going viral and you're getting millions upon millions of views. Then you can make a decent income from the ads. The next strategy is where people make some of the big bucks, and that is with brand deals and sponsored content. And you don't even really have to have a mega huge channel. I have 76,000 followers on TikTok, and I've had brand deals where I've talked to companies and got anywhere from $200, $300, $400, $500 just to post a video on TikTok. I also posted videos here on YouTube, so it was kind of like a no-brainer to be able to do on both places. You can have like a smaller channel, 5,000 to 50,000 followers, and still make a pretty good income through brand deals. And what the brands care about is kind of like the niche that you're in and the engagement that you have, not just the follower count. So if you have a smaller channel but you get a lot of engagement, then that's what they're looking for. So one good video could actually earn you quite a bit of money, especially if you have some kind of a commission with that company as well. Maybe they pay you a flat fee up front and then also you get some on the back end. That always works really nicely. So what you want to do for that to get started is just start posting reviews, video reviews, things like that on your TikTok. And then eventually you can start reaching out to the brands and tell them about your following. Usually they'll have some kind of a program that you can, a lot of times it might be an affiliate program or something like that. And then you can work out the deals that way. And after a while, they will just start approaching you as well, which is pretty fun. And that goes right into the next one, number 3, and that is through affiliate marketing. And this one is probably one of the easiest ways to get started because you don't even have to be monetized with a creator fund. You don't even have to have like a TikTok shop yet. From day one, you can start posting affiliate links. It could just be a product that you start off with Amazon. And then what you do is you can, there's a link that you can put in your profile, in your bio, and that could be the link to like a linked tree. And then on Linktree, then you can have your different products that you're selling on there, which is awesome. And then once you qualify for TikTok Shop, you can do the TikTok Shop program, and you need 1,000 followers to qualify for that. And then you can start doing the product that are on TikTok and start selling them there. And that's a really good way to make quite a bit of money. I've heard of some creators on TikTok that have made several $1,000s in 1 month just selling products through the affiliate program on TikTok Shop. And that is pretty awesome. And then what you can do also is you can do like I mentioned, Amazon Associates links, affiliate links. You could do your own digital products that you might have. Maybe you have some courses or some apps that you want to sell. What you want to do with your TikTok videos is drive traffic to where those are staged. So maybe it just might be simple as you're talking about a certain product or a course that you have, and you say, check the link in my bio if you want to learn more about this course, something like that. Or check the link in my bio if you want to check out this product. If you have TikTok Shop, just say, hey, down there's a little link to the product. Click that and you can buy it on TikTok Shop. So one viral video can make you quite a bit of money. One of my first products that I did that went pretty viral on TikTok was just this little hand-cranked cheese grater, and it was like a $15 product, but I made like $2 per sale. and it wound up making me like $2,000 or $2,500 just in 1 month from that little product, which is pretty awesome. That doesn't mean like every single video that I post does that well, but as you're being consistent with these product videos, once in a while, one of them is going to pop or two of them is going to pop, and next thing you know, you're getting a lot of sales, which means money. So one of the biggest profit margins is when you, instead of doing affiliate marketing, is you sell your own products. Maybe you have a Shopify store and you want to use TikTok to send traffic to your Shopify store, and there you're selling products, t-shirts, a lot of print on demand type products. You could also have your digital products over there that you create yourself, like guides or templates, things like that. Maybe you want to sell coaching services or consulting. Maybe you're a video editor and you want to, get some clients that way. So you could use TikTok to drive people to an area. It could be a website where you are selling your services, and you can connect with people that way. So TikTok is really good at building trust, and people can find creators that they feel connected to that way. Think of TikTok as like a fancy funnel to drive traffic to different places. And that brings us to the next one, which would be number 5, driving traffic to YouTube, to your website, like a blog, or to email lists. For example, I have a cooking channel, and that's kind of the main thing that I have on TikTok. And then I drive traffic from there to my website where they can find the written recipes. And over there, I have a bunch of ads on my website. So I make money from that. So not only I make money from the actual video on TikTok, but it also drives traffic to my website, which is pretty cool. So it kind of catches two different things, or kills two birds with one stone, so to speak. And also, if you drive traffic, like let's say you do like a little short 15, 30-second video on TikTok, that's just a snippet of one of your long form videos on YouTube, you can drive traffic there as well. Maybe at the end you just say, hey, check out the full video on my YouTube channel. And then the link that you put in your TikTok bio would be to your YouTube channel. Or most likely you want to do like a Linktree link. And then in that Linktree link, you could have your website, you could have your YouTube channel, you could have maybe a Shopify store, maybe your Amazon affiliate store, places like that. So your main thing to do is drive traffic to that bio so people will click on those links. Now, number 6, this is another great way to make money on TikTok and somewhat underrated for some people, and that is doing live gifts. And so when you go TikTok live, you can make money with those live streams. So people interact with you, and then they have a gift function, and they will send you gifts. It's like coins or whatever it is. And then once you take those, you can turn those into cash, and that some creators make a lot of income just doing live streams. To sum everything up, what really matters for making money on TikTok, and this is the truth, is not really necessarily about trends, not necessarily about dancing videos, things like that. Main thing is having a clear niche, solving a problem, consistent posting, and a call to action. And the call to action could be, hey, visit my website for the recipe, visit the link in my bio to see the whole video on YouTube. It could be, click the link in the bio to find this product. It could be click down the link for the TikTok shop. This product is 50% off right now. Multiple ways that you can do it. So there you go. That is some of the most common ways to earn money on TikTok. Let me know what your niche is. Let me know what you're trying to do. And if TikTok is something that you are trying to build, drop a comment down below and let me know. Thumbs up down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Until next time, take care and happy content creating, everyone.